Hello friends, this time I will show you how to use the QR codes service from One Simple API. This is the structure of the package. We basically have different input options. The first one is the message that you want to convert as part of a QR code. And here you can enter any type of information. You can enter a YouTube video, you can enter an HTML URL, you can enter even text if you want to do that, but this is useful for basically URLs. We have some other input options, like for example the size of the QR code. We have the medium option as the default option. We have the format. We have in the hint it says that if we leave this option as empty, a PNG image is going to be generated. But if you want it as SVG, you can enter SVG, the term SVG, as part of the input options. We also have a color option. We can establish the color of the QR code. We can specify a hex value, for example, or a color like, for example, well, we have different formats in which we can establish this information. On the hint, you are going to see different examples for this. The default value is this value that you can see on the screen. We also have the background option that serves to establish a background color to of the QR code. And we have different options as the output. The default option is text. Then we call the HTTP request node, in which we basically call this URL of the service. We bind all the different inputs options to the query string. We can see that we have different options here. And finally, we show the result information as part of this finished node. We use the template QR codes request. And with this, we have a full functional package node. Let's try it. Let's run the package. We're going to say that we want to convert this URL as part of the QR code. We can establish the size, medium, format. For example, let's say that we want an SVG file. The color is going to be white and the background, the color is going to be black and the background is going to be white. You can change these colors as you want. And the output is going to be text. Let's run this package to see what we get. Okay, it is a very, very quick execution. And here we have our SVG file. Let's try this on a browser. Okay, and here you have the URL. Let's try this. I have here a tool that lets you to convert or to get the QR code. Okay, so let's scan a QR code from the screen. Okay, and you can see that we have the extracted text that basically is going to redirect us to the packages, the browser node packages documentation. So I hope that this package is useful to you. See you in the next video.